Have you caught Timmy yet?
Hey, there you are. Listen, you were right yesterday. We should accept Fergus's offer on the hutch.
Look, I know you're angry, Warren, but you have to know how grateful I am. I only helped you because you used my gun and I didn't want it coming back on me. You haven't even told me why you did it. Timmy couldn't be trusted anymore. I just dug that kid's grave. So you're gonna have to do a little bit better than that. He was stealing information. Information about what? The heist. Maybe he was gonna sell the drugs on, I don't know. But I'm not about to let some little rat snatch the job of a lifetime out from under us. From under you. So you still haven't changed your mind then?
If anything, last night only cemented things.
You can't pull out now, Warren. It's too late for me to find anybody else.
Sorry, am I interrupting something?
Fergus was just trying to get me to go for a fry-up. But I told him, I've already got breakfast plans with you.
Sorry, Fergus. You lose. Thanks.
So, did you, manage to get much sleep down here last night?
Not really. I just keep going over all the things Timmy might have seen. And all the private moments between me and Julia.
We've searched the whole flat and we can't locate any more cameras. Just the one that you found in the carbon monoxide detector.
Are you sure? I've seen on films they can hide them in TVs or picture frames.
I'm sure.
Right, well, what are you going to do to find Timmy?
We're doing everything we can. Sooner or later, he will need to resurface. And when he does, we will get him.
What if he gets me first?
Come on. It's not going to happen.
He pushed Juliet down the stairs. He's capable of anything.
From my experience, stalkers like Timmy get off on anonymity. Now you've exposed him, he will go back into hiding. Look, my colleagues are just packing up, and then we'll be gone.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Juliet tried to tell me what Timmy was. She's never going to forgive me for not believing her.
Yeah, she will. Just might take some convincing.
I couldn't sleep, so I went down to the hutch and I started thinking about all the good times we had there.
And?
And I realised it's about the people. You know, the customers, our mates. The kids sitting in the little high chairs eating spaghetti.
Eating, you mean spilling?
The dog will still feel like a house. As long as you're there beside me.
OK, I'm sorry, but that is one of the cutest things I've ever witnessed. And I follow several social media accounts with dogs who wear bow ties.
Well, have you told Fergus yet?
I was going to see if he wanted to come with me.
Well, Eva's got a 6-in-1 and a meningitis jabs in a bit, so...
Oh, yeah, of course she has.
Right, you make sure you call me straight after.
Yeah, I definitely will. See you later. Bye, Becky.
So you're still getting a vax then?
Yeah. Well, I'll weigh up all the pros and cons and...
Hey, you don't need to justify it to me. I've given you all the information, but at the end of the day, she's your baby, so... Anyway, I'm just glad that you're feeling better.
How do you mean?
Well, you've obviously got a handle on your anxiety. You know, you managed to put aside all your worries about vaccines and now this massive life change with the dog too.
No, do you know what, you're right. Yeah, I am feeling better.
Good for you, babe.
I'm telling you, since me and Zara put Nate on blast with the megaphones, he's definitely had less customers. You were so right. And footfalls picked up.
Yeah, that's gonna look amazing on you.
Yeah, it's giving me very 90s Kate Moss energy.
Is that good?
That's definitely good.
Before you make any decisions, why don't you come have a browse over here?
Maybe because she's got a conscience.
Their stuff gets less fashionable every time it's recycled.
You know what? It's weird that you don't understand sustainability when you reuse the same jokes over and over.
I think I'll take it.
Awesome.
Oh, it's okay, I got it.
Oh, don't tell me. Bad news from one of your sweatshops.
None of your business, but I bet you Why the change of heart?
Well, Diane convinced me that a new focus is exactly what my family needs right now.
Well, family is everything, right? So I assume you'll be moving your brood into the dog flat?
Well, I hadn't really thought about that.
No, it makes sense, doesn't it? I can make you a very good offer on your place. And let's face it, we both know you could do with the money. But I can get an offer over to you later if you like.
Okay. Well, thanks.
No, Tony. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi. Can I come in? The police came by earlier to check the flat. They only found that one camera.
That's good, I guess. Honestly, I don't even really want to think about it.
Jules, I owe you a massive apology. I should have believed you about Timmy.
Yeah, you should have. I'm just glad he didn't hurt you.
Is it okay if I hang out here for a while? We could watch a movie, maybe have a snuggle.
Did you think it'd be that easy? A quick apology and I'd forget how pathetic you've made me feel.
No. I don't want to be alone while you're still out there.
Right, well, you should have thought about that before you took some creep's side over your own girlfriends.
You're right.
Have you tried turning it on and off again?
I don't think that'll quite do it, Beck.
I didn't hear you come in last night.
No, it was a late one. I didn't want to wake you up, so I slept on the sofa. Then I was up at the crack of dawn.
You're working too hard.
Just trying to tie up a few loose ends. Tony accepted my offer on the hutch, so that's something, at least.
Great. Bit more money for the retirement fund. Uh-oh. I don't like that look.
That big project I've been working on looks like it might have fallen through.
You're not going to cancel Mexico, are you? Mentally, I'm already on that beach with a margarita in my hand. Fergus, you promised.
I know, I messed up. But one of my business partners has pulled out and the deal can't go through without him. On the bright side, you still get to do your Blackpool show, right?
Blackpool is hardly Mexico, is it? Do you know, I'm not having this. The Fergus I know wouldn't quit when he's got his sights set on something.
What am I meant to do, babe?
Well, first of all, get your cute little bum off that seat and go and fix the problem. You say your business partner's pulled out, well, go and twist his arm a bit harder. Whatever it takes, you've got to do, Fergus.